Shelly Lake at the Millbrook parking lot, and we are walking to Glen Eden. It's about 3.5 miles away. She might be just a little too happy this early in the morning. And we got a little dog leg going across the street. This is North Hills, right? Not very busy. And then we're right back on the trail. In case you want to know the rules.
about the only hill on the trail, and I always feel like we're walking into Jurassic Park or something. Fences and gates and concrete. And this goes nowhere. Just down the trail. Getting ready to go under an underpass under Glenwood, I think. Crazy bicyclers. Bicyclers? Is that a word? It is now. Yep, Glenwood Avenue. Raleigh's main hub, or artery. Noisy, but greenway through it's okay. Okay, I lied. There is a little bit of a hill at the end. We're at 3.21 miles. 1 hour in. We did 20-minute miles for the first hour. That's really good. That's better than we usually do. And pretty much as soon as we get at the top of this hill, we're going to turn around. When we see the next hill. On our way back. I think we're gonna stop at McDonald's on the way back and grab a coffee and refill our water supply and maybe have breakfast. If we don't, Rita's gonna kill me, so I guess we're gonna have breakfast. We'll see you at McDonald's. Conveniently located halfway through our hike. I wonder who designed that.
I love the urban hiking.
Yeah, urban hiking for the win. We are at 3.77 miles. And we're making good time. 3.2 miles an hour. We pretty much kept that going so far. Well, I don't know if I'll leave this clip in or not, but we made it to McDonald's. We're right at 4 miles. We got 2.5 miles to walk left. Thought we were going to need 3 liters of water. We packed 2 in our camelbacks, but we're making such incredible time that we probably do have enough water to get us back. But we're going to get a tiny little something to eat, maybe a cup of coffee and 2 great big glasses of ice water. I am soaked all the way through from head to foot. This is one of the hottest days we've ever walked. I think the last time it was this hot, we were at Lake Crabtree, and I pretty much had heat exhaustion that day. So this is super flat, so this is not too bad. A little hill at the end where we turn around was not part of my plan, really. We're gonna get 6.5 miles, not 6 miles today, so that's fine. And then yeah, so we're gonna take a break for a half hour or so, and then get back to the car. Okay, we're on our way back. We're about a mile into the return. Actually quite a bit more than that, a mile and a half into the return. My heart rate's going a little crazy, but I feel pretty good. We've maintained a 20-minute mile pace pretty much the whole hike, and that's better than we usually do. So I can expect my heart rate's gonna be a little higher, but I can just focus on my breathing a little bit and it goes down 10 points. So I'm staying under 140. Most of it's due to the heat though. It's just really hot today. But I feel good. Nothing hurts. How you doing, Rita?
Fine.
Rita says she's fine. She's got so much to say. Anyway, we'll probably see you back at the Jeep. There's our favorite bridge again. Julia, if you're watching this, here's your bridge. I'm gonna dub music over top of this. I'm on my way home. And we're home.